Hello, it's Maureen again. Now, the example I'm sharing with you today is related to AIDS. So, what kind of 5 elements imbalance is AIDS exactly? You'll find out as you watch this example behind me. Who is this? It's Magic Johnson. NBA, former NBA basketball. Let's take a look at his Bazi first. He was born on August 14, 1959. The year of Jihai. His month is Rinchen. His day is Wuchen. With these 3 pillars and 6 characters, what kind of earth does he belong to? Weak earth, right? No fire, there's no fire. Born in this month of strong metal, it's definitely weak earth. For weak earth, the primary useful god must be fire, the second is earth, and the third is wood. Because wood produces fire, and fire produces earth. And his unfavorable elements are naturally what? Metal and water. Okay, let's take a look now. When did he retire from the basketball world? He stopped playing because at that time, he discovered he had AIDS. Let's see, it turns out it was in 1991. In 91 minus 59, that's exactly during this 32-year-old Wuchen cycle. So this Chan? Actually, it's a good luck cycle. Wuchen, good luck. How can there be trouble even with good luck? Remember I always say, a luck cycle lasts for 10 years. 10 years, so for each annual luck year, we have to see what their 5 elements are first. If the 5 elements are ones you don't like, meaning your unfavorable elements are metal or water, then it's not okay. But if those unfavorable elements are not okay, then look at what kind of unfavorable elements they are. Now, he retired in 91. 91 was the year of Xianwei. So Xianwei and Earth produces metal, right? It's Wei, so it's Earth. At that time, he was actually in an Earth cycle, which is okay. But then as you go along and pay attention to each year, you'll find they're all 5 elements he doesn't like. But within these 10 years, there are naturally ones he likes and ones he doesn't. So if 91 was Xianwei, what was 92? Let's note them down year by year, right? Xian, this Xian, then comes Ren. Then comes Gui. Then comes Jia. Bani. Bing, ding. Okay, let's stop there for now. Then, if it's Xianwei, what comes after Wei? Wu, Wei, then comes Shen. So that's Ren-Shen. Shen, then comes you. Then it's Su. Then it's Hai. Then it's Si. Then it's Chao. Alright, so coming to this point, how many years do you see? There are 5 years here. Are these 5 years the elements he likes or dislikes? Metal, metal. What month is this Su? It's the Earth of Autumn, which also belongs to the metal months. So it was actually very metal heavy at that time. Then Hai, then Zi, these are water. These are his unfavorable elements, So within these 10 years, the first 5 years were his unfavorable elements. That's why he retired during that period, from 91 to 96. This is 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and he retired. Then in 97, he made a comeback. 97 is what I'm talking about here, Ding Chou. So as Ding Chou continues, what happens? It's the latter 10 years. We divide a 10-year period into the first 5 and the last 5 years. Then it's Bing and Ding. What's here? Wu and Ji. Deng. Xian, right? Jia, Yi, Bing, Ding, Wu, Ji, Deng, Xian. Okay, let me finish writing them first to see what comes next. As for the earthly branches, here is Cho. Hi, Z, Cho. After Cho, what's next? In, Mao, Chen, Si, Wu, Wei. So as you can see, the first 5 years are metal and water. Then the next 5 years, there's earth, wood, earth, fire, and fire. These are the elements he likes. That's why he started his comeback in '97, which was the year of Ding Cho, and it continued until 2003. So here it's 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. So we can see that his AIDS issue was actually due to an imbalance of fire. During the metal and water period, fire was naturally weak. In his Bazi, do you see any fire? He has no fire. We don't know about the birth hour, but we can see this luck cycle. At 32, this Wuchen cycle is an earth cycle. Earth is also his second favorable element, but not the first, which is fire. So it's very clear that when he was in these metal and water cycles, he wasn't okay. He wasn't okay, so he retired. It's related to fire. Then when he entered the earth, wood, and fire cycles, he came back. So you see in the luck cycle at 42, the Ding Mao cycle, which starts right here, it's all wood. Wood and fire, wood and fire. So it turns out that AIDS is related to an imbalance of fire. Therefore, in a Bazi chart, once you've set it up and mapped out these luck cycles, because we've been going through so many examples, we've been researching each different Bazi chart and the health issues that arise from them. After looking at so many examples, we've seen that, oh, it turns out AIDS is indeed related to fire. So when I look at a Bazi chart and see, oh, this is when he had AIDS, it's related to his fire. Metal and water are what he avoids, so he retired. Then with wood, fire, and earth, he made a comeback. In my Bazi for Beginners class, we'll learn how to set up a Bazi chart and how to map out these luck cycles. You can learn all about the cycles of creation and destruction. But if you want to know more deeply about each of our internal organs and their relationship and connection to the 5 elements, that's what my Bazi and health course is about. Both of these are online courses. You can click the link above to purchase them. At the same time, we also have Master Lu Hanglap's Applied Bazi, Advanced Bazi, Applied Feng Shui, and Advanced Feng Shui. So if you're interested, just click that link above. You can buy whichever course you like and then sit comfortably at home and learn on your own. Okay, that's all for today. I'll share more with you next time. Bye-bye.